Hi there, my name is Fabrice and you're welcome to FabWebTuts. Alright, so today I'm going to teach you about CSS syntax. Alright, so you're going to be learning what a syntax is, also CSS Syntax Components and how it is written. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin. So what is a syntax? Alright, so a syntax is a general format, structure, rule for writing valid statement in a language. Alright, so with that being said, let's look at CSS Syntax Components. Okay, so the CSS syntax comprises of the following. The first one is the selector, which allows you to select a particular HTML element to apply CSS to it. Then we also have the property. Now the property gives the defined characteristics of a selected HTML element. Alright, so the next thing there we have is the value. Now the value allows a web designer to state how much of the property of the selected HTML element is required. Now the next thing we're going to do now is to learn how to write CSS syntax. Okay, so the CSS syntax is written like this. We have the selector, which selects a particular HTML element that you want to apply the CSS property to. Then we have a brace, that's an open brace, and then right inside the open brace we have the property. Then we have a colon, then you write the value, then you close it with a semicolon. Then the last thing is to close the brace and you're done. Every CSS statement is written like that: a selector, open brace, property, colon, value, semicolon, and then closing brace. Alright, so with that being said, let's look at comments in CSS. Now, a comment means writing an explanation of what a code is going to do for easy understanding. Comment helps a lot while reading a code or while debugging. It also helps explain one's code to another. Comments are not rendered by a web browser. When a web browser sees a comment, it skips it and then moves to the next instruction. Alright, so we are going to look at the CSS comment syntax. So CSS comment can be done in two ways. That's a single line comment. Single line comment is done like this. You put a forward slash, then you write asterisk. You now write your comment, and then you put asterisk and then a forward slash. That's a single line comment. Then we have multiple line comment. Now the multiple line comment is done like this. You write the forward slash, just the same as the single line comment, and then asterisk. Then you write your first comment, you write your second comment, then you write your third comment, and so on. And then you write at the end the asterisk and then the forward slash again to close the comment. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I'm going to see you in the next tutorial. Okay, so in the next tutorial we're going to learn about CSS selectors. Alright, so until then, peace out.